7 skills that will make you rich in the next 10 years, no degree required. 10 years from now, the people who will be rich won't all be the smartest or the most educated. They'll be the ones who learned the right skills early, while everyone else was distracted. And the scary part? You don't need a degree for any of them. Every generation gets a window, a small period in time, where the rules quietly change. The last generation built wealth through jobs. The next one will build it through skills. Right now, degrees are losing power. AI is changing work. Industries are being rebuilt in real time. This isn't bad news. It's an opportunity, but only for those willing to adapt. Today, I want to talk about the skills that will matter most in the next decade. Skills that don't care about your age, your background, or your certificates. Only your willingness to learn. Skill 1. The ability to sell without feeling sleazy. Let's clear a myth. Selling is not manipulation. Selling is communication with clarity. Every wealthy person sells something. An idea, product, a service, or themselves. If you can't sell, your skills stay invisible. The future doesn't reward talent alone. It rewards people who can explain value. Selling is persuasion, storytelling, empathy. And the best part? It's learnable. Whether you're 18 or 58, this one skill can instantly increase your income ceiling. Skill 2. Learning how to learn fast. This might be the most underrated skill of all. In the next 10 years, what you know today will become outdated faster than ever. So the advantage won't go to experts. It'll go to fast learners. People who can pick up new tools quickly, unlearn old habits, adapt without ego. They don't panic when industries change. They adjust. This skill separates people who survive disruption from people who benefit from it. Skill 3. Digital leverage. Let me say this clearly. The internet is the greatest wealth-building tool ever created, and most people use it for entertainment. Digital leverage means one effort can reach thousands, even millions. Media platforms. You don't need permission anymore. The next decade will reward people who build once and get paid many times. And this skill doesn't expire with age. Here's something worth thinking about. In 10 years, people won't ask, "Where did you study?" They'll ask, "What can you do?" And the ones who can't answer that clearly will feel left behind, not because they failed, but because they didn't prepare. Let's continue. Skill 4. Decision-making under uncertainty. Most people freeze when there's no clear answer. We're trained to wait for certainty, but certainty is disappearing. The future belongs to people who can make decisions with incomplete information. Not reckless decisions, but calculated ones. This is the difference between entrepreneurs and spectators. If you can decide, act, and adjust, you'll move faster than most people ever will. Skill 5. Building systems, not just working hard. Hard work alone doesn't scale. Systems do. The wealthy don't just work harder. They work once, then let systems repeat. This could be a business process, a personal routine, an automated income stream. Systems reduce burnout and increase consistency. And consistency beats intensity every single time. Skill 6. Emotional resilience. This one matters more than talent. The next decade will be noisy, uncertain, and fast. If you break under pressure, no skill will save you. Emotional resilience means handling failure without quitting, ignoring unnecessary opinions, staying calm while others panic. Wealth is a long game. People don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they give up too early. Skill 7. Long-term thinking in a short-term world. This is where everything comes together. The world is addicted to speed, fast money, quick results, instant gratification. But the richest people in 10 years will be the ones who thought in decades. They invested early, built skills quietly, stayed patient while others chased trends. This skill doesn't require youth. It requires perspective, and perspective grows with intention. Let me leave you with this. You are not late. You're early. to a new kind of opportunity. Degrees won't disappear, but skills will decide who thrives. The next 10 years will reward builders over talkers, learners over complainers, doers over dreamers. And you don't need permission to start. You only need consistency. If this video gave you clarity, subscribe. This channel is for people who want to build wealth, freedom, and relevance in a changing world. Comment below, which skill are you committing to learn this year? And share this with someone who thinks it's too late for them. Because the future doesn't care about age. It cares about action. See you in the next video.